asked you to give me $1 and I told you I could give you 44, wouldn't you take me up on it? Hi, I'm Bryan Caplan, CEO of BJC Branding, and I'm here today to talk to you about the power of email marketing. What is email marketing? Well, in its simplest form, email marketing is when you send out a custom branded, professional looking email message that looks like a web page in the inbox. Now, why would we want to use email marketing? Email marketing can drive sales and also awareness of your business. Also, email marketing is going to help you drive repeat sales. Now think about it. You could invest a lot of money into a direct mail campaign like postcards or letters, or even send out magnets, but you don't know who's putting those magnets on the fridge or who's actually opening up your mail. Instead, email marketing is time effective and cost efficient, and it's ultimately going to tell you who opened, who's looking at your information, and who's engaging with your messages. When we're talking about email, it's very important to keep in mind that you want to make your email message mobile responsive. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can actually open your message on a cell phone or a mobile phone, on a tablet, and on your desktop, and it renders perfectly for the person. Part of the reason why is because 51% or more of all emails are opened on a smart device like a mobile phone. Moreover, 91% of people check their email on a daily basis, and 88% of them are checking on a smartphone at some time or another. Email marketing is also extremely effective in that it gets your message across to your subscribers. So what does that mean? If I'm sending an email, then I actually have a 90+% deliverability chance. Deliverability is when I press send, and it's the likelihood of my email getting into the subscriber's inbox. Conversely, if we look at Facebook posts, only about 2% of those posts are actually being seen on the newsfeed. So the proof's in the pudding. You're actually getting your message through all the noise and right to your subscriber, telling them to take a measurable and physical action or response. Email has 3 times the conversion rate of social media, and it all has to do with that signal to noise ratio. Someone has opted in to receive my email in their sacred email inbox. Now I know that when I send the email, they can expect it, and they know that when they receive the email, it's something that they've signed up for, they've opted in for, they want to read and engage with. And for that reason, we're getting more conversion. Even more so, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, for every $1 that you invest in email marketing, the average return is $44.25 according to the Direct Marketing Association. Those types of numbers are unseen and unheard of with other social marketing channels and digital marketing channels. Now finally, for those of you non-believers who are sitting there saying, well, I just send out through Gmail, Comcast, AOL, and I BCC 50 people, it doesn't work. Basically, when you're sending from one tiny minuscule email address to a whole bunch of email addresses, you can get filtered for spam. You also can't brand your email. So yeah, you can change the font size or add color to it to kind of highlight it, but you're not able to actually add your branding. So I can't see the logo, I don't have appropriate colors that go with that logo, and ultimately as a reader of your email, I don't know that it's coming from your brand. Moreover, I can't track. So if you're sending something to me from Gmail, then the whole point of sending that email to me is that you want to be able to see when I open it, how often I open it, and what I click on. If you can't see those things, you're not measuring. And if you're not measuring, you're not marketing. So hopefully the takeaway here is email marketing is a powerful tool, cost effective, and can help you grow your business.